Cleanliness, a concept woven into the fabric of human civilization since time immemorial. From the earliest dwellings to our modern homes, the pursuit of a clean and healthy living environment has been an enduring human endeavor. This quest for cleanliness has spurred countless innovations, leading to a fascinating evolution of cleaning gadgets, each generation building upon the last. In this video, we will delve into the captivating history of cleaning tools, tracing their journey from rudimentary implements to sophisticated machines. We will explore the profound impact of technology on this evolution, particularly the transformative roles of electricity and artificial intelligence. Join us as we uncover the stories behind these indispensable helpers that have lightened our loads and redefined our relationship with cleanliness. Before the advent of electricity and sophisticated machinery, cleaning relied heavily on human effort and simple tools. Brooms, crafted from materials like straw, twigs, or animal hair, were indispensable for sweeping dirt and debris. These rudimentary tools, while simple in design, represent the earliest attempts to maintain cleanliness in and around the home. Alongside brooms, mops played a crucial role in cleaning floors. Early mops often consisted of rags attached to a stick, dipped into buckets of water, and then used to scrub dirt and grime. These early cleaning tools, though lacking the efficiency of their modern counterparts, were nonetheless essential for maintaining a semblance of hygiene in a world without running water or electricity. The use of these basic tools was often labor-intensive and time-consuming. Cleaning was a physically demanding task, requiring significant effort and dedication. Despite their limitations, these early cleaning implements represent the foundation upon which the modern cleaning gadgets industry would be built. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The dawn of the 19th century ushered in an era of unprecedented technological advancement, forever changing the landscape of cleaning. The Industrial Revolution, with its emphasis on mass production and mechanization, led to the development of new materials and manufacturing processes. This had a profound impact on the cleaning gadgets industry, paving the way for more durable, efficient, and affordable tools. One of the key innovations of this era was the development of the carpet sweeper. Unlike traditional brooms, carpet sweepers employed rotating brushes to collect dust and debris, making the cleaning process less strenuous and more effective. This marked a significant step forward in cleaning technology, demonstrating the potential for mechanization to improve household tasks. The Industrial Revolution also saw the emergence of new cleaning products, such as commercially produced soaps and detergents. These innovations, coupled with advancements in plumbing and sanitation, made it easier for people to maintain cleanliness in their homes. The stage was set for a cleaning revolution, one that would transform the way we approached this essential aspect of daily life. The late 19th and early 20th centuries witnessed a technological marvel that would revolutionize countless aspects of human life: electricity. The arrival of electricity in homes across the developed world ushered in a new era of convenience and efficiency, and the cleaning gadgets industry was quick to embrace this transformative power source. The invention of the electric motor paved the way for the development of the first electric vacuum cleaners in the early 1900s. These early machines, while bulky and expensive by today's standards, offered a tantalizing glimpse into the future of cleaning. No longer would people be tethered to manual tools. Electricity promised a future where cleaning could be faster, easier, and less physically demanding. The electrification of cleaning gadgets extended beyond vacuum cleaners. Electric washing machines began to appear in homes, replacing the laborious task of hand-washing clothes. These early appliances, while lacking the sophisticated features of their modern counterparts, represented a significant leap forward in household convenience. Electricity was transforming the home, and cleaning would never be the same. Vacuum cleaners, from luxury to necessity. The early 20th century saw the vacuum cleaner transition from a novelty item for the wealthy to an indispensable appliance for the average household. As manufacturing processes improved and production costs decreased, vacuum cleaners became more affordable and accessible to a wider consumer base. This period witnessed a surge in innovation, with manufacturers vying to create machines that were lighter, more powerful, and easier to use. The development of the upright vacuum cleaner in the 1920s marked a significant milestone in vacuum cleaner design. This new form factor, with its integrated handle and self-propelled cleaning head, offered improved ergonomics and ease of use. Vacuum cleaners were becoming more than just cleaning tools. They were evolving into appliances designed to enhance comfort and convenience in the home. As vacuum cleaner technology progressed, manufacturers began to incorporate features like attachments for cleaning different surfaces, adjustable suction power, and disposable dust bags. These innovations further cemented the vacuum cleaner's place as an essential household appliance, transforming the way people clean their homes and freeing up valuable time for other pursuits. Dishwashers, liberating hands one load at a time. While vacuum cleaners were revolutionizing floor care, another technological marvel was emerging to liberate homeowners from the drudgery of hand-washing dishes, the dishwasher. Early attempts to create a mechanical dishwashing device date back to the 19th century, but it was the advent of electricity that truly propelled the dishwasher into the modern era. The first commercially successful electric dishwashers emerged in the 1920s, offering a glimpse into a future where the time-consuming and often messy task of dishwashing could be automated. These early machines, while rudimentary by today's standards, were a revelation for homeowners, particularly those with large families. The dishwasher promised to free up countless hours previously spent hunched over a sink, scrubbing away at dirty dishes. As dishwasher technology advanced, so too did their features and efficiency. Innovations like built-in water heaters, multiple wash cycles, and improved dish racks made dishwashers even more appealing to consumers. The dishwasher, once a luxury reserved for the affluent, was well on its way to becoming a commonplace appliance in homes across the developed world. Beyond human control. The dawn of robotic cleaners. The late 20th and early 21st centuries witnessed a paradigm shift in cleaning technology with the emergence of robotic cleaners. No longer were cleaning gadgets simply tools to be wielded by human hands, they were becoming increasingly autonomous, capable of performing cleaning tasks with minimal human intervention. This new era of cleaning was marked by the rise of the robotic vacuum cleaner, a device that would forever alter our relationship with cleaning. The first robotic vacuum cleaners, introduced in the early 2000s, were relatively simple devices, capable of navigating a room and vacuuming up dust and debris with minimal human guidance. However, these early models were often limited in their capabilities, prone to getting stuck in corners or under furniture, and lacking the cleaning power of their human-operated counterparts. Despite their initial limitations, robotic vacuum cleaners captured the imagination of consumers, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a future where cleaning could be truly effortless. As technology advanced, so too did the capabilities of robotic cleaners. They became equipped with more sophisticated sensors and navigation systems, allowing them to map and clean homes with increasing autonomy and efficiency. Artificial intelligence. Smart cleaning for a smarter home. AI-powered cleaning gadgets are revolutionizing home cleaning. They learn, adapt, and optimize cleaning patterns. These devices are autonomous and intelligent. They adjust to different floor types, avoid obstacles, and empty their own dustbins, integrated into a connected smart home ecosystem. The future of cleaning is smart and autonomous. The future of clean. Innovation in an age of convenience. As we venture further into the 21st century, the evolution of cleaning gadgets continues at an electrifying pace. The future of clean is likely to be shaped by advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. We can anticipate cleaning gadgets that are even more autonomous, intelligent, and seamlessly integrated into our connected homes. Imagine a home where robotic cleaners work in concert, coordinating their cleaning schedules and adapting to the household's routines. Envision smart washing machines that can identify and treat specific stains, minimizing water and energy usage while maximizing cleaning efficacy. The future of clean promises a world where cleaning is no longer a chore, but a seamless and invisible aspect of daily life, freeing up our time and energy for pursuits that bring us joy and fulfillment. The journey from rudimentary brooms to AI-powered cleaning companions is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a cleaner, more comfortable, and convenient life. As technology continues to advance, we can only marvel at the possibilities that lie ahead, envisioning a future where cleaning gadgets anticipate our needs, seamlessly blend into our homes, and enhance our lives in ways we have yet to imagine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.